Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody gives me no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video I will be doing a sandal review for you guys. As you guys know, this is a new series here that I started on my channel where I review products that I purchased, just in case you guys are interested in also purchasing this product. So we are here and I'm super excited for this one. I've had this for a while now, but since it is spring going into summer seasons, I was like, why not just finally, you know, drop this review for you guys. So without further ado, I will be reviewing the Tory Burch sandals for you guys, and specifically the Capri flat lace-up sandals. So we are going to be doing a quick little unboxing for you guys. I already unboxed her just to check her out and everything, but I'm going to be unboxing her and showing you guys her up close and personal. I'll be giving you my thoughts and feedbacks on this product, as well as the on-feet sizing and comfortability of this sandal. So if you are interested in this review, then just keep on watching. So this is what she looks like. I bought her off toryburchsandals.com. Of course, you know, they come into this very pretty pattern box with the logo. I wear between a size 7.5 to 8 in sandals. It just depends on like the make of it. I've bought sandals before which were a size 7 and they fit, but it really just depends on the make and the brand of the sandal. But I got these in size 8. They are leather. Leather tends to be a little bit tight and snug unless, you know, they kind of have a little bit of room for stretching. So I just made sure I got the perfect size so I know it's not too small and it's not too big. So we are taking her out, and when we do that, of course, she has her little canvas pouch in which we can use for protection, which we can use to carry her around. This is a very nice canvas bag, I will say. So come through Tory Burch. Their packaging is A1 and it is very thought through. When you talk about brand, they brand, okay? So they do have a little card right here with their logo, and it says this shoe has been made of specially finished leather and suede to create a uniquely distressed finish. Any variations in the color, texture, or grain are intentional in part of the design. Thank you. And even their tissue paper is branded. Like, come on, like, you know what I'm saying? So once we open her up, one of the sandals are already out of the padding because I did unbox this already and just to try it on to make sure everything fit. But this is what she looks like. I got her in the color goldenrod, I believe, but this is what she looks like. This is how they come into the packaging, of course. So that is pretty much it with the unboxing. So we're gonna put her up right now, give you guys the product details of this. So these are the Capri flat lace-up sandals. I got mine in the color goldenrod in a size 8. For the product details, it is leather straps, leather sole. So it is made of leather from the straps to the sole. Under the bottom has kind of like a suede feel, which feels good. Let's see if that actually helps with the gripping, because I do hate sandals that does not have any kind of traction, any kind of grip. So when you walk on certain surfaces, it's slippery and I have to kind of be careful a little bit until you work those in. But yeah, this is what she looks like. The color goldenrod is a very cute color. I like the yellowy mustardy colors, and of course she has the double T logo at the top of the shoe near to the part where I guess you put your the straps in between your toes, your big toe and your second toe. And of course it has the gold beads at the end, which are they got a little bit of weight to them. I think it's super cute. And of course at the heel part there is the double T logo again coming through. I think it's a very elegant and chic sandal, and it goes for, oh, I didn't even tell you guys how much it goes for. Look at me slipping. So it goes for $298. Sometimes they do have a sale on different ones. I have been kind of updating my sandal collection for the past like year, so I'm super excited to add this to my collection. So I'm gonna tell you guys if it's comfortable, easy to walk in, my pros and cons and everything. So and I will say I do love these sandals. So they were very comfortable. I love how you can tie them in any way. That's what I kind of love about these strappy sandals, is like the tying, it doesn't have to be the same all the time. So that kind of gives you a little bit of versatility. And I love how the beads, the jewels on the sandal, you can adjust them so you don't necessarily have to wear them how they came. So you can, if you want, put them up closer or not, put them together, separate them. And I love how they might have not have done that intentionally, or they might have, but I think that is a pro for me. And I love how they have the little jewel on the ends of the straps. Just adds a little bit more. It is comfortable. You can make the sandals as tight or as loose as you want. I will say when I was walking on both carpet and tile, it did have enough grip for me not to feel like, okay, I'm going to fall. So I will say this is definitely a must out of the Tory Burch sandals. The regular ones that everybody is wearing, I mean, yeah, they might be comfortable and everything, but I just feel like a lot of people are in them, hence why I decided to get this sandal instead, because I'm one where, I mean, I guess sometimes I like to be in what everybody's in and other times I don't. So yeah, that's what it is. But I think this one is super cute, a great addition to your sandal collection, especially if you are a Tory Burch fan or trying to buy more, you know, luxury items. So yeah, I think this is a good sandal to have in your closet. So if you are interested, I'll leave all the details you will need down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do like this series, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. Don't forget to also follow me on social media at _Krissy's lifestyle. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's your girl Krissy, and I am signing out. Later.